Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am with my son and my daughter, mga eldest ko, kasama ko ngayon. And I'll be teaching them how to the simple or basic things na ginagawa sa mission right now. So,
Good preparation.
ako actually natutunan ko lang ang mag-withdraw ng pera using ATM sa mission. So, sa bahay kasi, in our home, kadalasan ako lang naman ang nagwi-withdraw tsaka si mami, so I'll be teaching them kung paano mag-withdraw sa ATM and of course kung though they have their account dati pero nung pumunta kami sa Canada nag-close na yung mga account na yun and we taught them matagal na kung paano mag-withdraw ng pera, but they have forgotten it, so I will train them again kasi ganoon naman pag hindi mo ginagawa regularly nakakalimutan mo. So I'll teach them again how to withdraw sa ATM para alam nila pag nasa mission na sila, and at the same time right now tuturuan ko sila sa pamamalengke para it will not be difficult for them pag nasa mission na sila yung pamamalengke. Okay, see you around. So guys, finally we are here. Susunod na kami in line kasi nga hindi ka magana yung isang ATM. Okay, sir, start. Okay, wait lang, basahin mo yung nasa, mahalaga na basahin mo yung nasa screen, okay? Okay, insert. Okay, wait, basahin mo lahat. Nakalagay, withdraw sa taas, pindutin mo yung withdraw, click again, yan, savings, yan, okay, pin, yan, type the pin, 1,000 muna, click 1,000, okay, pin, parating cover always remember, cover, okay, remove. Okay, wait. Okay. It's your turn. Insert. 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 Yan. Wait. Keep the bunny. Cover your number. Withdraw. Savings. Kuburan mo yung pin, kuburan mo yung number. Okay, get the money. Get the money kayo, pero mo yan, get the money. Okay, wait for the receipt. So guys, we're done. So hopefully na they have learned something, skills ngayon on how to withdraw money from the ATM machine using their ATM card. So yan, okay. So right now, papunta kami ngayon sa market. Yung sa likod namin. So finally guys, nandito na kami sa likod ng Sorrento. And I'll show you around. Maganita. So may pagbisahan area, tapos meron dito. Guys, so we will buy this one, sir. Bingo. You check the orange bingo. This one, sir. Bingo. So
How many?
Presto, this one Presto. Okay, this one Litlock, Sarah. The sweet Litlock. This is the one that you were telling, right?
Yeah. Argentina. Which one? 33.
Let's see. This one is this sweet?
Beef loaf.
Okay. They have the sweet one, right?
Meatloaf. I think it is this one.
Just buy one, I think. Alright. So guys, that's it for today.
Yeah.
So the kids learned a lot that they can apply in their mission. So if you like these kinds of videos,
Yeah, watch
so,
the full
kung gusto
video
nyo po
on
yung mga
YouTube.
ganitong uri ng mga videos, so please follow us in all social media platforms.
Especially YouTube.
Yes. So maraming salamat again. So see you soon. More videos.
Bye.
We are your